Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi, my name is Sofina. So I'm going to share with all of you for the second question's answer. So the question is, analyze the advantages that the UMC will gain from the decision to outsource the purchase and maintenance of their own vehicles. So before answering the question, I would like to share the meaning of the outsource. So the meaning of outsource is we bring someone outside of the organization, bringing their skills into the company. Or I'm trying to give an example like, okay, for example, Apple company, they don't produce their iPhones or have their own manufacturing factory to produce iPhones in US, but instead they produce the iPhones in China, because the main point why many big companies they try to outsource is because they want to cut costs and also save time, and in the meantime is they want to focus on the importance. So that is one of the reason why many organizations they're trying to outsource. So let's continue to answer the question for number 2. So analyze the advantages that UMC will gain from the decision to outsource the purchase and maintenance of their own vehicles. So the first answer would be reduce the expenses cost. So let's refer together. Refer to paragraph number 4, line number 9. Let's refer together. Let me repeat again. Refer to paragraph number 4 and line number 9. It stated that the garage was in a residential area of a major city with major parking problems and no room expansion. So from here is that when we outsource, which the UMC company do not need to expand their garage to put their car at central garage, which could save more space. So as I mentioned earlier, when we outsource, we try to cut costs as much as we can and also save time. So let's say if the company wanted to expand in order to build the garage, which they will incur more costs, such as they have to pay for the architect fees, for the laborers to build the garage, and so on. So that is why we one of the reasons to outsource. The second is enhance a greater cash flow, which they do not need to incur more costs in hiring more employees. So please refer to the paragraph number 5, line number 5 until 8. Let me repeat again. Paragraph number 5, line number 5. Okay, it says that 2 months ago, UMC existing vehicle fleet was acquired by a Procar Sahabat, a company with service and repair centers nationwide, which currently supplies 45,000 vehicles to companies throughout the country. It now leases vehicles back to UMC for a monthly payment. So let me cut it short. What I have just read. So UMC is acquired by the Procar Sahabat, and the company with service and repair centers nationwide. Okay, which is good. When the Procar Sahabat acquired this UMC company, which if their service is throughout the nationwide, it means throughout the whole country, which means it's a good thing. For example, like if anything happens, a car breakdown, so the customers they can go to any the nearest workshop for them to seek for the service. Thus, from here it shows that it will cut the cost and also save time for the customers from travel far away. Just, yeah. Now, and then it also mentioned that it now leases back, refer to paragraph number 5, line number 7. It says that it now leases vehicles back to UMC for a monthly payment. So from here it says that, so when it mentioned that lease it means it's a fixed cost, which means back to the accounting understanding that the cost is categorized into two, which means fixed cost and variable cost. So as he mentioned, it now leases vehicles back to UMC for a monthly payment, which means that UMC rent a car when it's only needed, which means it's a good thing that it will cut costs. Is because it rent car when it's only needed. Instead, if they buy cars or selling cars, which to be incurred variable cost, which means they have to repair and maintain it. So that is one of the reasons why what they're trying to outsource by lease the vehicles. So now move to the second answer for it, which is the advantage would be focus on the core business activities. So let us refer together for look at the paragraph number 2 and line number 1 until 4. So previously UMC, it has expanded their services, which means vehicle insurance, vehicle history checks, offering comprehensive advice center, and also a wide range of vehicle-related queries. So from here is that the advantage when UMC focus on the core business, which means they are mainly in repair and maintenance service. Thus, they tend to provide more quality and more efficient to their customers. And third one is the quicker turnaround on repairs and improved reliability are just a few examples of the improved services. So let's refer to the paragraph number 3, line number 1 until 3. It says that however, since its stock market listing, the company has posted disappointing results, and a falling share price has spurred managers to review internal processes and functions. So from here is that before they're trying to outsource, which they provide they have expanded their services, which they are not focused on only one thing. So related to our reality is that if we do multitask, we tend to lack of focus on just for a specific task. So it will lead to the quality of the quality of the job of task to be produced is low. So that is why one of the advantage to outsource is that regarding on this company is that they can provide improved service, which is a quicker turnaround on repairs and maintenance, which could improve the reliability, and are just a few examples of the improved services. So that is all for today. I hope you guys understand. I'm trying my best. I hope the answer will be beneficial for all of you. Thank you.